Hi there, so to install CopyCat AI app on iPhone, just tap Get and confirm with your Touch ID. Then here is the installation process, so it's like 12 megabytes only. So you can choose any photo and then the AI makes photos come alive. And then you can record also a video and try dozens of filters. And then you just select the settings as you want. So that's the app, and then you can just create a celebrity. And then what you need to do is just enable camera access, and then you need to enable microphone access. Yep, and then you just need to basically hey, and then yep. You can get the subscription here, but maybe you can also try without the subscription, but then it will just take time. So that's that.